Crispy smashed gold potatoes.
What sounds good for dinner? What sounds good for dinner?
1 pound of petite gold potatoes. Once baked, they will be crispy outside and creamy inside. In the Instapot, fill the water just above the potatoes. Add salt and pepper to the water. These potatoes are popular in our house. They are requested often. They are so delicious and easy to make. Add a dash of garlic powder to the water. In your Instapot, set to pressure cook for 5 minutes on high pressure. After the 5 minutes are up, let the pressure release all the steam out. Drain and place on a buttered baking sheet. Gently smash each of the potatoes with a fork or the bottom of a glass. Brush or spray the potatoes with olive oil or butter. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic or your favorite seasonings. Using shredded cheese or sprinkle Parmesan cheese if using. Bake at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy and golden. Garnish with chopped parsley or chives. Enjoy, my friends! For more amazing cooking videos, please consider subscribing, like and follow.